You must be here to find out either is Time Social a scam or a trustworthy website, right? If so, then you are in the right place, since through this Time Social review, we are going to show you the real face of this site. Time Social is a fraudulent website due to the following reasons. It is not a new kind of scam. If you search around the internet, then you can find out lots of similar kinds of scam sites. You should know that all of these kinds of sites have plenty of complaints and dissatisfaction from various people. Time Social and other similar kinds of scam sites have never paid to anyone. Once you request to cash out your earnings, these kinds of sites will ask you to complete the paid surveys or pay some fees or download some apps in order to get the payment, for which you have to pay money first. However, even if you pay them money, they will never pay you anything. Scam sites like this make money by selling the personal information of users, like their email address, payment processor details and so on, which users have to provide them during registration and cash out request. A few examples of similar kinds of scam sites are Social Earn, Social Rebel, Earn Cash Too, It's Dollar, Month's Job, Survage, Royalty Bucks, Cash Junkie, Students Earn Cash, Money Guru, Spinning Cash, Go Earn, Stack Pay, Cash Gym, Reward Dollars, OG Dollars, and so on. These kinds of scam sites claim to pay 20 cents to $10 for each click that members receive on their referral links, or $5 to $20 per referral sign up through that link, for which members only have to copy-paste their referrals links on social media and other websites, forums, etc. You can imagine how much sites like this need to earn to pay $2 for each click on referral links, or $20 for each referral sign up. You should know that anyone can simply advertise their website link at the rate of $2 per 25 plus clicks on social media and other sites, which can bring them more than one referral sign up just in $2. So, there is no reason to pay $2 per click or $20 per referral sign up when they can get 25 plus clicks and multiple sign-ups at the same amount by directly advertising on those platforms. This proves the business model of these kinds of sites is completely bogus and they won't pay anyone. Sites like this also claim to pay $10 to $50 just for signing up on their website, $5 to $55 for downloading, installing and testing each app, $5 to $110 for completing each task/survey/offer, etc. These are additional bogus claims because none of the legit companies can make any benefit by paying such an amount of money for such simple tasks. Aforementioned, now it is clear that Time Social is a scam. So, if you want to say something about it, then please feel free to place your comment below. Also feel free to share this review with your friends and families through your social media accounts to make them aware of this Time Social scam. You should never go after these kinds of easy ways to make money online. If you are looking for a serious way to make money online, then leave these kinds of easy ways to make money alone. Instead, do your own blogging business. Yes, it may sound difficult, but it is not. These days it is very easy to start your own blogging business by joining online training programs like I have over at twoler, where you can learn everything about blogging through my video tutorials and make money from it. If you want to find out more details, then you can check out twoler.com and join this group called Marketing Group, totally free to join Twoler, and what's cool is you earn TC for everything you do on the site, such as post, share, like, comment, view posts, etc. You can then use the TC, also known as Twoler coin, to unlock premium content, transfer to other users and even cash out. You can find out about various kinds of scams by scrolling within our scams category by clicking greater than here less than, or you can navigate our website through our home page to find out the several interesting and knowledgeable articles under different categories by clicking greater than here less than.